Hey foodies, hey, wagwan. Today I'm gonna show you guys how I made this one pan jerk chicken and rice that's a part of the one pan dinner series. So let's get right into it. I have around 5 chicken thighs, cleaned, washed, skin on. We're gonna season with all the ingredients down below, and of course some Walkerswood Jerk seasoning. I'm using the mild, but of course you can use hot if you like it extra spicy. So we're gonna go ahead and sear these chicken pieces for around 10 minutes per side. We want to get a nice brown color on them. And don't worry, remember that it's gonna continue cooking with the rice. So we're gonna take our chicken pieces out, set it to the side, add a small onion, half of an orange, half of a red bell pepper. You can use whatever color you like. I like colors. I'm gonna go in with around 1 teaspoon of my jerk marinade again, followed by a teaspoon of turmeric. I added 2 cups of my jasmine rice. We're gonna toast the rice a little bit. We're gonna season, of course, so around a teaspoon of salt, some Adobo All Purpose Seasoning. Use whatever seasoning you like. I went in with a cup of chicken broth, a cup of water, a tablespoon of unsalted butter. We're gonna cover, lower the flame, and please don't touch it. Just let it cook for around 25 minutes. And there you have it, 1 pan jerk chicken and rice. Recipe will be posted to the website and to the YouTube channel. Follow for more recipes.